How to sign out from YouTube on your Android device. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to easily sign out from YouTube account on the Android device. Let's get started. First of all, you will have to open your YouTube app and make sure that the account that you want to sign out is signed in first. And now you just have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and then you can see the settings menu on the top right, so tap on the wheel icon to open your settings. And here you will see an option to switch account, or if you don't have this you will see something like accounts, so just tap on it. It will show you all of the visible accounts on your device. You just have to tap on this manage accounts right here at the bottom. Just tap on it. And once you do that, it will take you to your settings where all of your accounts are there. Now you just have to find the account that is logged into your YouTube and just tap on the account. And from here, you can just tap on remove account and then remove account from here. But it will remove all of your Gmail, all of the account related to your Gmail. Everything will be removed once you remove this account, not just YouTube. You have to keep that in mind. And once you do that, you should be logged out of YouTube. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.